Hi everyone, this is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to do emergency beard care without any beard products. This video is all about emergency beard care when you don't have any beard products. What happened to me a few years ago in Achill Island was I forgot all my beard products at home. I was in Achill Island for a weekend, 2 or 3 days without any beard products, and I was totally fretting that my beard was going to be very, very dry. I was going to go out that night. I didn't have any products to put on, so what I had to do is I had to go to the supermarket and look around to see what products I could replace for my beard products temporarily, just for a day or two to get me by. And what I came up with was a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to use as a beard oil, and I came up with some Vaseline to use as a beard balm, and I'm also going to try to use it today as a little bit of moustache wax as well. So I'm going to put them on now and I'm going to tell you what they're like and see if they would work for you in an emergency situation. So let's go for the beard oil. The first thing, or the beard oil, the extra virgin olive oil in this case, the first thing to be careful of is the pour. Now there isn't no dropper top on this, so you got to be careful pouring into your hand. So you go for extra virgin olive oil. It's probably one of the best oils out there. Not amazing as a beard oil on its own because it's quite thick, and you'll see that as you pour it into your hand. So there it is into my hand, and we're gonna work from ear to chin. Now you can even feel it. It is quite thick on your fingers, but like I said, I was more than happy to put it on my beard on that weekend in Achill Island, and it does the job, but temporarily, because like I said, it is quite thick, and if you are going to use it constantly, it may not be great for your pores. You may get a few breakouts from using it, but like I said, for a day or two it's fine, and it's certainly better than nothing. So I'm going to get a little bit more. Watch that pour again, be careful, just a little bit out on to the palm of your hands, underneath the chin. And again, it also gives you a little bit of a shine, that healthy glow that you definitely lack when you don't have anything in your beard. Dry beards look dull and lifeless, whereas when you have a little bit of product in, it makes a huge difference. So that's absorbing quite well. Actually, it's been a couple of years since I put olive oil on my beard, but no, that is working quite well. Now, I don't have my beard brush because I'm kind of reenacting what it was like when I didn't have any products, so I'm just going to use my fingers, push down, and try to get as much structure to my beard as possible. A little bit of a tweak of the moustache. Okay, so immediately I didn't have any product in my beard. I just had washed it with the beard soap, so I put that in, and the beard feels decent. It's going to have a little bit of a shine off it as well, so it looks healthier than it would be if there was nothing in your beard. So that's my beard oil sorted. Now I'm going to use some Vaseline as a beard balm to try to straighten those hairs a little bit. I'm also going to try to use it as a bit of a beard moustache wax as well. Again, this is emergency situation. You got to have an emergency product, and Vaseline, literally, you can use it for anything. So get some Vaseline out, same as the beard balm. We're going to put onto the palm of your hands. Rub it in a little bit. Rub it in a little bit. You can see it there. It's kind of squashed on the two palms. And now we're going to go from ears to chin and see what happens. Okay. Obviously a lot thicker than the oil. And it doesn't feel that bad. It's not clinging to the hairs. My beard is short now. For a longer beard, it may be a bit more difficult, especially if you don't have a beard comb or a beard brush. Okay, so that's it in the beard. Doesn't look bad, feels quite good. So now let's try attack the moustache with it. So I'm going to put on my two fingers, rub them together. Let's get some on the main body of the moustache first, and then we'll go to the sides. Okay, not bad. Like I said, I haven't done this in years, but it'll help you out if you ever are really stuck and you still want to look good. Okay, again, like I said, don't have a brush. I would be brushing this out now if I was putting on regular moustache wax. So there you go. I can feel with the Vaseline it's not going to last that long in the moustache for sure, but if you're on a night out and you want to kind of just have it for an hour or two, it certainly is better than having nothing in your beard whatsoever. So almost done. Twist, twist, and there we have it. So it looks a hell of a lot better if I had no product. I obviously wouldn't be using these daily. It really is only for emergency situation. It'll get you through a weekend, like I said. It's a very cheap alternative to beard products over a day or two. So the extra virgin olive oil is probably 3 or 4 euros. Vaseline maybe 2 euros for a fiver. It'll get you through the weekend, and your beard won't be under too much pressure. You won't have a lot of dry skin. Hopefully, if you do use it for a day or two, and like I said, your beard and mustache will still be looking okay. So that's it from the extra virgin oil and the Vaseline. They will do their job, so don't worry. If you do have a crisis, use these two guys. You'll get them in all the supermarkets around Ireland and Europe. If you have a question, make sure you DM me on social media or send me a message on leave a comment on the comment section in YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.